Good morning, everyone. Welcome to RadioSilentPlay.com. I am your moderator for today on Sunday, April 19th, 2015. Let me start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading any stocks or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. So this will be a recap of the OTC weekly watches. Some of the plays that we've mentioned on the weekly watches, also on the OTC free alerts, and also the OTC alerts from our mobile app and SMS. Okay, usually what I do is I send out an email to you guys, but we will be doing more of these, more of a visual outlook on what the markets are doing, so people are not confused on how we actually enter these trades and why we enter these trades. So just gonna recap some of the trades that we picked up last week. Okay, last week what we posted was the SREH. Our buy zone for the SREH was at 0004 to 6. That triggered an entry at 6. Okay, you had a good strong bid at 0004 and 5. Okay, if we look here, you had a bit of consolidation back in November to February in 2014 to 15. Okay, you had a huge rally up to 0.006 range. So what we saw here was another consolidation. I posted the box consolidation here with an entry level here in this level and a stop close below. A little bit of a riskier trade, okay, but the stock managed to trade and hit a high of 20. Okay, that was a move for 200%. Now what you want to do is you want to see if there's any buy pressure and also a bid support here on any pullback down to this 12.15 level. Okay, so watch that 12.15 range for any pullback. If it does hit or trigger at 12 and 15, look for a consolidation sideways. Remember, this is a weekly chart that I am posting here, but overall it's just a big weekly move here on the close of SREH. You could see this test, this 0.004 to 0.006, but at the same time you want to make sure that this stock holds. Okay, just look for any pattern here. If it has a strong bid from 12 to 15, it could be a re-entry level. Okay, the next stock that we traded or we've had since for a while is the REVO. This was a probability trade. Usually what I give my members is low risk, higher reward type trades. The REVO had a nice move here from this 0.001 level. Hit a high of 25. Since then it pulled back and then it tested this probability level again. Tested at 0.0089 level, never closed below 9 two times, so that was still a hold. And if you see here, posted some news, also had some filings out, and we had a huge move up to 49 level. Okay, had a good high of 0.0048 and closed at near the high of the day. So what we're gonna look here is for any retrace down to this 50 to 61% retrace. So we're gonna look at that support here at 0.0024 to 0.003 for any bid support. Okay, still a good trade. Okay, traders must understand when you are getting into these trades, remember, if a stock triggers and does not close below that master support, it remains a hold. Okay, traders must understand that sometimes these stocks do tend to take a little bit longer, but at the same time, when you trade these stocks higher, you can always buy at that buy zone again. Okay, like I said, stocks usually like to repeat, and they're just like vacationers. If they like the vacation, they usually go back. Okay, so REVO next week, we will look for any retrace down to this 0.0024, 0.003. We're going to look for bid support, and we're going to look for any pattern here for a bullish inside flag pattern for a move or a continued move higher. Okay, this was another stock that I sent out was the HIMR. Okay, HIMR, what I saw was this mental support at 0.001. When we did send this out, this was a stock that we sent out at 0009 to 11 for a probability level. Okay, 52-week low was at 0.001. It did kiss that level, so low at 0009. Okay, but the stock did hold. Okay, the stock then rallied on Friday and it hit a high of 0.0022 from our entry. Now, what you're witnessing here is a little bit of a topping tail. Okay, so you saw a huge move at 22, but you still closed near the low of the day. We just still want to see this confirmation. We want to see this stock close, okay, and retest this 22 level. If it doesn't, okay, just maintain a stop close below 0008 on 2 consecutive closes. Okay, remember these stocks sometimes they do rally, but sometimes they don't have those continued rallies. Okay, I believe there was a tweeter that sent out, oh, the company's, um, not doing this or that, not doing that. We don't care about the hype. Okay, what we're looking at is basically a master support, and we're looking to enter a stock to see for or to trade it into a higher probability. Okay, our objective is to buy something at a probability for that stock to move higher in regard to for it to go lower. Okay, and we did catch that, and that was 100% move for traders. Okay, moving on, we were trading the DMHI. When we did send this out, we sent it at a buy zone from 14 to 18. Since then, hit that a nice high here at about 0.00 49 range, and since then it just could not break that level. Since then it pulled back and then tested this 0.001. This is the weekly chart. Okay, now what you want to see this stock is kind of prop up above this 0.0012 level, okay, and potentially get back to this trading range. Okay, regardless the fact, okay, we still had a nice move on this trade. Okay, if you look at the DMHI trade, when we did trade it, okay, this stock gave an opportunity to enter the lows over here from 14 to 18. Then we saw a nice high up here at 0.0035. Then it pulled back, okay, saw a low of 0007, and then rallied and hit a high of 15. Okay, sometimes what you want to do is you want to buy these panic levels. Okay, this is entry level, but it never confirmed close below this level, so it hasn't stopped out. Okay, sometimes what you want to do is you want to trade these levels. Okay, sometimes what happens is traders panic, and what they do is they sell into the bid, and you can actually buy some at the bid, and then the stock usually closes above that level for a fake out breakout. Okay, so I want traders to understand that concept. That's why I tell traders to make sure that they use that second day confirmation to ensure that they don't get stopped out of a trade, okay, on panic. Okay, you want to make sure that you're not scared to trade these trades. If you have your set parameters, if I'm buying 0009 to 10, okay, my stop close is going to be closed below 9 two times. I know that I'm ensuring that I'm taking like about 10-20% risk in regard to the upside. Okay, if you look at this level, it's really never closed below this level. Now, can it close below this level? Yes, it can. Okay, but right now what we're interested in is accumulating in this range and looking for the stock to retest this 15 level. Okay, if you look here, back in February, you had a move here from 0009, and then it hit a high of in the 70 range, pulled back. Okay, you saw a low over here of 14, and then you had a nice little move up to 22. You pulled back over here. You had a low of 11. Okay, and then next thing you know, it hit a high of 35. Now it's pulling back, and it's right back at that buy zone. Okay, so as long as you set your parameters, you're good to go on these trades. Okay. At the same time, you always want to manage risk. You want to make sure that stock has some volume. And right now, we're seeing some volume. Okay, the stock did have significant volume. Another stock that we gave out to members was Nuvi. Okay, this was a stock that was sent out. We were looking at accumulation, and we told traders to watch that 22 level. Okay, that 22 level actually triggered. Okay, last week. Okay, this is a weekly chart, but if you look over here, this stock actually triggered. It hit a low of 17. Okay, at 20. I'm sorry, it hit a low of 20, and then it actually hit a high of 49. Okay, you're talking about 100% move. Okay, this was sent out via mobile app and SMS last week. Okay, if you come over here, we talked about it on April 9th. We said Nuvi 0.003 appears to be loading in the past several days. Low floater, watch that 50 to 150% scalp. Right, stop close below 25 two times. Okay, so we were talking about this box pattern here, this box range here. Okay, so we gave an entry at 22 to 28 levels, and it offered an entry at 0.002. Okay, we witnessed the stock actually had a nice move, and then it hit a high of 49. Remember, sometimes you want to scale into these low float, low share structure stocks. If you scale into the stock, if you're getting in at 0.002, okay, or you're getting in at 0.0025, just place your stop somewhere along those levels. Okay, right now you're looking at that 21-day moving average at 28. Okay, another 8-day moving average at 23. So that's giving you a little bit of support there at that 23, 28 level. Okay, so the stock ended up closing here at 0.004. Okay, now what we're looking for is for this channel right here, this pretty much resistance level to break above. If you do, I would not be surprised for this stock to hit a high of 0.01 level. Okay, so this is the type of stocks that we send out to traders. Okay, low risk, high reward type trades. Okay, another stock that we sent out was ATHI. Okay, this was a stock that was sent out at 0009 to 12 level. It actually triggered at 11. Okay, and then it hit a high of 40. Okay, that was close to 300% move on the stock. It gave an entry at 000 at actually 0.0011 at a low, or 12. Okay, you get to enter that stock at 12, and then it hit a high of 42. This stock was also sent out a few weeks prior. Okay, and this was the setup. Okay, I talked about this point here. Okay, or this 52-week low was breached, and I was talking about low of 0.003, 50 to 61% retrace level, and I gave traders that level at 12 to 15 to watch. Okay, if that 12 to 15 level broke, that supported probability level was 0009 to 11. That's just what it did. So this level, when I sent it out, was basically like beginning of April. Okay, this was when I sent out this chart. And then what it was is we waited. We waited for that 12-15 level, okay, and then it tested this 11 level. And if you see here, it had a nice little bounce here to 0.004 for a nice move. Now it's trading that re-entry at 14. So now watch that 0.0011 level again. Okay, it's basically a rinse and repeat scenario. Until that stock closes below that 0.001 on 2 consecutive closes, you're still trading the stock in that pattern. Okay, you don't want to fear a stock. If you're entering a stock, you should be confident on where that stock enters. I'm getting a lot of feedback that, I don't know where to get in, or I don't feel confident when I'm getting in. Okay, objective is, if you get into a stock, what you want to make sure is that you have set parameters. Okay, what's my profit margin? And if the stock goes the wrong way, where am I going to stop out? Okay, these are the levels that we give you on Radio Silent Play. If people are interested in joining, just be sure to go on www.radiosilentplay.com. Okay, there is a free membership that we offer for traders. Okay, this is another good stock that we gave out. This was a ×2, what I call a rinse and repeat. This stock triggered at 0.0011, and then what it did is it hit a high of 17. Okay, and then it pulled back at 11, and then hit another high of 17. Now, right now, it's trading at 0.0014, and it's doing the same thing that it was doing back here. Okay, you got a little bit of consolidation here before a move. I think that this test will test at 0.0027 again. Okay, return to the scene of the crime again. Okay, just like we saw the REVO trade. Okay, REVO was a stock that pretty much did the same thing over and over. If you look at the weekly chart here, okay, every time that REVO traded in this range, it would pop up. And what did it do? It was trading in this range, and then it popped up. Okay, I do see the QEDN doing a similar move here. Okay, so now if this stock triggers at 0.0011 and you're holding, and it doesn't close below 10 on 2 consecutive closes, then it's just that, a hold. Okay. Another stock that we gave out was NAMG. We were looking at the bear flag here. We were thinking that this stock closed below this level here at 0.0036, and we would see a nice retrace level. But what we saw was the low of 0.003 level. Okay, the stock never really broke below 0.003 after that, and then what it did was it rallied. Okay, when it got back into this channel at 0.0035, I thought it was a nice buy zone. Okay, it did hit a high of 0.0085 for a nice move. We posted on the weekly watches. It really didn't get down to the target that we wanted to, but as soon as it broke into this channel 2 times, that was a buy level for a move up here to this channel here at 0.007, and it did breach it. Now what you're seeing is watch for any pullback down to this 0.004 level, which is a 20-day moving average for a bounce and continuation. Okay, so that's basically it. These are the setups that I'm posting. There's a couple of stocks that we're actually holding now. I'm looking also at we're looking at the ICBU. Okay, that's another stock that we're looking at. It's similar to what the very similar to what the FWDG did. If you come back here, we traded the FWDG not too long ago. It was a very good trade. This was a stock, a marijuana stock that was taking a beating, but we did notice that it was setting up a bottom consolidation pattern at the lows, and we took the trade. Okay, we bought the FWDG at 18 to 24. Okay, the stock never really closed below that 18 level. Okay, it was a stop close below 18, never happened. And then the stock rallied, and then it hit a high of this 0.0082 level. Since then, now it's pulling back. Watch that 0.003 support. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a picture of what the ICBU, similar stock, marijuana stock, and now it's trading at levels now. If you look here, it's setting up a little bit of a bullish flag pattern, okay? And now if you look here, it's a bottom consolidation, 0.0025 to 3, and that actually triggered. So watch for this stock to still consolidate and continue this bottom accumulation. But if you look here, okay, let me set this up, show you guys. This is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing a little bit of a bullish flag here pattern, a mini bull flag. Okay, if you look here, watch this break of this 0.0034 level. If you break above this 0.0034 level on 2 consecutive closes, I would not be surprised for this to test that 0.0044 to 0.005 level. Okay, right now the Kellner channels are getting a little bit tighter. Like I said, as soon as they get in between these Kellner channels, it usually fires a pulse trigger. Okay, so that shows a move to the upside. Okay, I would not be surprised if at some point this stock is trading in this range here. Okay, you're talking about close to 100% move here. Okay, I like the risk reward here because there's more probability for the stock to move higher than to break below this this support. It's usually been holding, it's been consolidating in this flag pattern for quite some time. Okay, so this is pretty much the setups that we have for this week. Again, if you want interested in joining, okay, just enter or come in. Okay, you can register free here in the login area. You'll be getting free alerts and also some emails. Okay, so I want traders to kind of look at that. Also, what you can do is you can come on Radio Silent Play. Okay, there's also a free button here for a subscription, a free trial. Traders can go on the free trial and join up. Okay, just come down and subscribe. No obligation. Traders can join for the month. Absolutely free. Okay, that's about it. I will get back to you guys and have a great end of weekend. Take care, everyone.